Hi friends, I'm David Chakraborty. I'm always doing the motivational video for your mental peace and pleasure. Be happy and be blessed. Today I just going to share you a wonderful story. Before than that, for whom I am just making this video, they are already been stuck in their life. They are living their life with a mercy of circumstances. They are living with the mercy of kindness of others. Before explaining all such things, I just share you a wonderful story. One day, a baby camel and a mother camel, they are living in a zoo. The baby camel asked the mother, Mom, actually why I and you both are belonging a hump? The mother replied, the hump is a place of water storage. Actually, we are the animal of desert. When we walk on the desert, it's a too hot place. That's why we feel thirsty and we get the water supply from that particular hump. Okay, mom. And againly, the baby camel asked to mother, why our legs are too tall? The mother replied, actually, when we walking on the desert, the sand of the desert become too hot and the heat radiate from the sand. If our stomach too closer to the sand, then we feel the burn. That's why it's a huge gap when our leg is too long. And side by side, our leg is too long. That's why we can walk easily and very fast and to go one place to another easily under that hot place. And again, the baby camel asked to mother, Mom, why our eyelashes are too long? The mother replied, when the wind blown on the desert, then the particles of the sand may come to our eyes. That's why our lashes are too long that protect our eyes from the sun. At last, the baby camel asks a wonderful question to mom. Mom, when God created us like this type of circumstances, why we are sitting inside the zoo, not in the desert? The mom replied, actually the best prototype, best creativity of God is human being. The human being kept us here because for the mental pleasure of their children. They can see and they can get the pleasure of their life. They can get the fun. That's why we are here. So friends, I'm telling you very frankly, God created everyone for a definite purpose. And God created human being for a definite purpose. And we people are enriched with everything. Our brain is superior than any other animal in the world. And our all activities are superior than any other animals in the world. That's why we are dominating the world. And the people, I told you at the first of the video, the people today already been stuck. They are living with a merciful life. Why? You have everything in your life. Why are you not progressing? What is disturbing your mind? What is stuck in your life? If you are stuck, then you have to progress. Mind it. If you're stuck, you have to progress. How to progress? How to progress? Definitely you remind three things. First thing is that your environment, your circumstances, the people who are saying you can't do it. Second thing is that your past, it's a barrier. It's a barrier. Means you are always thinking about your past. What was happened? It was a very bad time for me, and I just crossed over that type of difficult time in my life. Forget about the past. Just shut down the past and go for the future. Think about the future. Just wipe out all such things what happened in your life in the past. Just think about the forward. Go towards the forward. Forget about the past. And second thing is that the person who are gossiping, that you can't do it, the people who are demotivating you, If you definitely demotivated, if you stuck in your place, then they are the winner. If you don't go anywhere for your dream, definite dream, then they are the winner. But if you just break down the barrier of your mind, who can stop you? Nobody will stop you. And third thing is that your efficiency, you have self-confidence. Do you have self-confidence? I have everything. I'm a complete man. I can think. I have a lot of creativity in my life. Who can stop me? If a baby camel can realize that for which purpose God made me, what is your problem? You have no problem. You have to think from today that I have to reach my goal. Nobody can stop me. Yes. Take the lesson from your past and think about the future. Definitely failure will come so many times. You don't bother about this thing. Failure is the pillar of success. First time you fail, second time you fail, third time you fail. You just count down which time, 10 times will come. Then you get the result. Maybe that is 20 times. But rolling stone is gather no moss. You have to roll out. Otherwise, everything will be blocked in your mind. You stuck. Don't be stuck. You have to work towards your dream. Forget about the past. Don't listen to the negative people. Don't make prejudge to anyone. And definitely, you just reach your destination if you have a lot of confidence in your mind, because always think it that God has a definite plan for you. You are here for do something in your life. If you have that ability to think, then nobody can stop you. So friends, stay healthy, be happy, and be blessed with God. And don't be stopped. Go towards your dream. You definitely reach your destination. Nobody can stop you. Thank you. If you like my video, then definitely subscribe me, like me, share my video. I definitely come again. And if you have any comment, please write down in the comment section that what I have to do, what I have to say. You please write